Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to test webcam in your Windows 11 or Windows 10. So simple and easy way, open any browser and just type here webcam test and press enter. Now here open this first link webcamtest.com. Now here guys you will see this window. It will detect your media devices, so please wait. So here guys we can see a web camera was detected. Press test my cam. So firstly allow permission, so click here and allow, then just click on test my cam. So this way you can test webcam. Here you will see all information and here you will get the result. So thanks for watching guys. Share, like and subscribe this channel. Please comment this method work for you or not.